Tecno Phantom X key specification has finally been revealed. What's up guys, it's Anwar from TechNewLeaks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Tecno Phantom X specifications and launch date which has been just revealed. Transsion Holdings is in a role recently. The Chinese conglomerate behind companies such as Tecno, Itel and Infinix has been working hard to enhance its image on global markets. The company is reportedly working on an Infinix smartphone with 160 watt fast charging and a periscope camera. Meanwhile, Tecno seems to be also working on a new mid-range contender to agitate the market. The device, which allegedly carries the Tecno Phantom X, had some of its specification has been leaked. As per the leaks, the device will hit the market only in August this year. Judging by the design, the Tecno Phantom X seems to carry a smooth matte glass rear panel that is curved inward in both edges. It quite resembles some old flagship that bet in this design for better ergonomics. The leaked images also show an elongated rectangle that sits in the upper half of the rear, serving as a home for the camera setup. The camera module comprises 3 camera units along with a multi-LED flash module and what seems to be a ToF depth unit or a laser autofocus unit. Any of these two features indicate that Tecno is working hard to make this a solid device for photography. Moving around to the front, the device seems to feature a dual curved edge display. The bezels are slim and uniform to both the top and the bottom. These curves indicate that this is an AMOLED panel. After all, it's not easy to bend an LCD. On the top left part, we can see a pill-shaped cutout that houses 2 camera modules. The quality of the design seems to scream something that belongs to premium mid-range department. The design is premium, but looking at the specs, we can see where Tecno is cutting corners. The tipster Abhishek Yadav managed to grab several key specs about the device. Under the hood, it will run with MediaTek Helio G95 SoC. The device will come with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The panel is indeed AMOLED and features a 6.7-inch diagonal with a 90 Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. The triple camera module comprises a 50 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and 8 megapixel additional units. The front-facing setup is also promising with a 48 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel secondary module. The device runs Android 11 with a high OS costume interface and draws powers from a 4700 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. Since the launch is at least 2 months away from now, we expect more details to pop out in the future. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Tecno Phantom X in August? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.